Hello, hello. How are you? I hope you're doing good. I do. Let me know. Put it down in the comments. I want to know. All right. Jessica here. Thanks for stopping by. I do appreciate you. And I've got another unboxing, but this is my Ipsy Battle of the Bags. I get two $12 bags, and I really enjoy. Wait, they're $15 now, aren't they? No. I feel like the price keeps going up on everything. Okay, so yeah, I get two of these. All the information is down in the description box. I don't know why I'm drawing a blank. I have two different profiles, and I do usually get to pick different choices. Now, one of my profiles is my true age. The big 4'9", blue, green eyes, kind of reddish blonde hair. And my other profile is I'm like 25 with blue eyes, red hair. Or no, I think I put it brown hair. Yeah. And either way, I do usually get pretty different stuff. And most of the time my different profiles work. Sometimes they don't. My older profile, I generally get a lot of skincare. And my younger profile, I put like more adventurous with makeup and stuff like that. So I do usually get a little more makeup. Let's see how June works out for me. And let's see if we can figure out which bag goes to which profile. Okay, so here is this month's bag. It's cute. I'm not a huge fan. I do like the rainbow stuff for Pride Month. But I probably won't use it. Okay, so this month's June 2021 theme is Do You. And yes, inside of the card, we've got a list of all my goodies along with, I think there's prices. Yeah, I believe so. All right, so the first thing is from The Balm, and it's Auto Balm Girl Powder, and it is a matte blush. Let's see the color. And this is a deluxe mini. That's a pretty color. Neutral. The full size of this retails for $26.50. Next up, we've got something from Even Prime Barrier Serum. I've never heard of that. This is also a deluxe sample size, and the full size version retails for $48. And it is a serum packed with antioxidants, ceramides, and peptides. It's specifically formulated to help protect your skin barrier against harmful effects of environmental aggressors. I don't want anything from the environment being aggressive with my skin. And next, we've got something from Herborian. And it's a Korean skincare. Yep, like you're not right. There's that. And it is a CC cream. A high definition radiance face cream in the color Door. Okay. This also is a deluxe sample size. And the full size retails for $44. Thanks to shade matching pigments, a few drops of this multitasking CC cream will give you light coverage and a natural looking glow. It also protects against sun damage with SPF 25 and soothes the skin with Centella asiatica extract. Okay. Very nice. And next we've got from Glow on Fifth Beauty. Oh, it's a rose gua sha. I've gotten these from Jeannie, our wonderful friend over at Unfiltered 50s. She recommended this to me a while ago, and she uses them. This is what it looks like. And you basically like massage your skin, and you can do it on your face, and it helps like your sinuses and everything. I've been loving mine. These work really, really good. If you don't have one, I'm not sure how much this one is, but you can usually pick them up pretty reasonable. I've seen them in like rose quartz and stuff like that. This one feels like it's plastic, which is fine. So this one is a full size, and it retails for $12. So again, that's really reasonable. Inspired by ancient Chinese medicine, this facial massage tool helps flush out the lymphatic drainage system and increase blood flow and circulation. Use it daily to depuff, contour, and give your skin a vibrant, youthful glow. Now, last but not least is from the Cream Shop. And obviously, these are cleansing wipes. And it's rose water and coconut. And there's 20 towelettes in this package. Honestly, I love getting these, y'all. Cleansing wipes can be so pricey, especially good ones. So I love getting them. Okay, so this is actually a full size, and it retails for only $5. So that's actually really affordable. These are infused with a blend of rose water and coconut extracts. They remove dirt, makeup, excess oil, minimize redness, and balance your skin's pH. Okay, so that was bag number 1. And I mean, it looks like it's pretty much all like skincare, except for the Balm blush. So this might be my older one. And bag number 2 of the same bag. The same card, except on the inside is all of the products in this bag. Or it kind of looks like an equal amount of skincare and makeup again. Okay, so we got another Glow on Fifth Beauty gua sha. If that's how you say it, I'm probably annihilating that. So that extra one will go in a giveaway for one of y'all. That retails for $12. It's a full size. Next up is from First Aid Beauty, and it's the Fab Pharma Arnica Relief and Rescue Mask. Okay, this is a deluxe sample. The full size retails for $32. This nurturing mask is infused with a cocktail of potent herbal ingredients like anti-inflammatory arnica, Centella asiatica, and calendula flower to soothe a stressed out skin in just 15 minutes. Okay, so that's a skincare. And then, okay, so this is from Grow Gorgeous. It's the Repair Strengthening Hair and Scalp Mask. It is also a deluxe sample size, and the full size retails for $30. It's powered by niacinamide for hair. Okay. essential minerals, and plant extracts. It's a super-powered treatment mask that supports a healthy scalp and strengthens damaged strands from within. Next. Oh, this is from Benefit Cosmetics. I'm so excited to get this, y'all. I have not tried this yet. This is the Professional Super Setter. It's a long-lasting makeup setting spray. I'm excited to try this. It is also a deluxe sample size, and the full size retails for $32. This is a lightweight formula, instantly smooths and refreshes skin, blurs the look of pores, excess shine with microfine powders, and your look lasts for a full 16 hours. Okay, last but not least is from Lay Beauty. It's the Punk Rock Eyeshadow Quad. Now, obviously, this is super teeny, but I have a feeling... Oh, dang. This is a full size. Oh, it's pretty. But it's super teeny. And this retails for $19. It's a full size. Okay, anyway. Now, I will say, just because of this punk rock eyeshadow palette, I would definitely say this bag is my younger bag. What do you think? Not bad. I mean, I got some good stuff. I'm definitely going to try several of the items. Some of it will go into my giveaway pile for extra goodies just to throw in. But I do love getting those bags. I personally think the first one was my older bag, and my second one with that punk rock eyeshadow was my younger bag. What do you think? Okay, that's it. That was my 2 Ipsy Glam Bags for June 2021. Thank you so much for coming to hang out with me for a little bit during another one of my videos. I do appreciate you guys so much. And if you would, smash the subscribe button. It does help my channel out so much. It really does. And it also gives me the ability to continue bringing you content like this. Because the majority of my boxes and bags, the unboxings I do, I pay out of pocket for. I do get some PR, but I'm a small channel, so I don't get a lot of it. Any help is greatly appreciated. In addition to that, the closer we get to my 5K, means my big 5K giveaway is going to be coming up. Yes. And that means 5 winners. So yeah. Help a girl out. Okay. Love you guys. Please take care, and I will talk to you soon. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.